Hello, I'm here to share an update we have to the DVC for VS Code extension. We have updated how sorting works in the experiments table. Originally, if you applied a sort to the table, only the experiment rows would get sorted, but with this update, if I apply a sort, the table collapses and both commit rows and experiment rows will be sorted by that metric. And if I clear all sorts, the table will go back to normal. And yeah, I think that about covers it. Thank you for watching.